Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 15th, 2022, and a big catalyst has just happened in Dogecoin. I'm going to talk about that today on the video because I want you to be prepared as to where price is going to go. So before I get started, let me ask you all, if you appreciate my video, my content, would you hit that like button for me? Would you subscribe to the team? Would you tap that bell notification as well? Only if you appreciate the content. So go throughout this video, listen to what I have to say, watch what I'm putting down on the chart, and you all will begin to see that, yeah, there is actually a way that you can predict prices and have one leg up amongst everyone else. Because this is a competition, right? We all are here to make money, everyone. So in order for us to really grab and enhance our ability to win, we got to beat everyone to the price. That's the edge that we have into the market. So if you all appreciate that, like I said earlier, hey, join the community. Check this out. I didn't do a price prediction in Dogecoin on my last video. No, I wanted the market to give us a little bit more information as to what it is trying to do. The last video I've done for Dogecoin was on the 23rd of February. So here it is. Let me zoom in. And you guys can tell that the overall trend really hasn't changed much. No, we haven't seen too much happen in the price action in Dogecoin, but the one thing we do know, right, is that one thing we do know and can tell is that price has still been trending lower. The market in Dogecoin could not break its price, which we wanted to see. It couldn't do it. We wanted to see the market in Dogecoin come back up to this particular area right there, 13.5 cents. We wanted to see that, and it had the opportunity to do it, right? Let's keep it real. The market is letting us know where issues are at. Right there, March the 1st, even right there on March the 2nd, the price in Dogecoin could not break above 13.5 cents. What does it mean? You let me know. The buyers got tired. The sellers came into the market and pushed back down the price. What happened? Because we have to pay attention to these turning points that occur into the market. Right? Because it gives us confirmation as to where the overall market is going to go. Where's the weight at? Where's all the pressure being pushed on? Is it to the downside or is it to the upside? Because right here, beginning of March, this confirms that the pressure, the overweight is being pushed on the sellers. They're pushing the price down. This is what this resembles. And then you have this day right here, right? So you guys can tell that on my last video, we created this horizontal line, meaning we needed to see Dogecoin's price trade above it. Look at all of this price action that we've seen the market in Dogecoin trade above this line. Look at all these days. We did not want to see price break this horizontal line that is drawn on my chart. We don't want to see that. But then you look at this right there. Just yesterday, we had a lot of volume. The price in Dogecoin came up there and bumped his head at 12 cents. That again is giving us the confirmation that this currency is weak. I'm not here to convince you. I'm here to show you the information. You come up with your own conclusion as to what you think it means. But to me, it means that the market is still weak. And then you put that on top of this downtrend line that is drawn on the chart, right? Look at this. We are in a very sustained downtrend. This is not a bullish market. This is a very weak market right now. And I know a lot of people, especially the Dogecoin millionaire, he's been out here talking about he's not going to sell none of his Dogecoin at all. Well, it probably would have been a good thing if he had done that, because you guys can tell that this market is losing buyers. The demand is not showing up. Maybe Elon needs to do another tweet, but he's bogged down with some other issues right now. So he's not really worried about Dogecoin. That was a fad for him. But maybe it needs that tweet. Maybe Dogecoin needs that tweet so that it could come back up. What do you think? Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and see, since I've given you all these confirmational reasons as to why Dogecoin is weak, let's figure out how low the price is going to go then. What do you think? Because if price is not able to come back up above 12.5 cents, guess what? We will continue to go down, period. I already know that. So look at this. Let me extend this out further to like mid-April, okay? So we want to tell which trend is going to be more applicable, right? And it's going to happen right here, the 24th of March. So be on the lookout towards the ending of March, because if the market in Dogecoin continues to do this, trade below this descending line, we know that that's still the dominant trend, right? We got that. But let's say the market in Dogecoin does this and it breaks outside of that descending line, then we know that this market is trading sideways. So we need to pay attention to what price does over the next couple of weeks, right? But I'm still looking for the price to go down. Yeah, that hasn't changed though. So let me show you what I'm looking at then. Okay. So first of all, this area here is a very shallow area of buyers. Okay. Right there around 9.5 cents. Very shallow area. But we need to take the bag there too. Because let's say the buyers do show up right here, 9.5 cents. Let's say the buyers do show up. And if they do, we want to make sure we get out the way because we're playing the weakness. And before they come in, we want to grab that 15.68% profitability. The next level, outside of that, let me bring this in closer so you all can see it. It's going to be 8 cents. So we got 9.5 first, then 8 cents second. Okay. So we got 9.5 first. That's first. That's our first price target. Second one is 8 cents. That's around 28% movement to the downside. And again, pay attention to this crossroads on the 24th of March. We want to see which one is actually going to dominate the market in Dogecoin. Now again, the market in Dogecoin could not break above that 13.5 cent price. Remember, that is where I'm going to hold that restriction area. So we understand that even if Dogecoin wants to go up in price, if it doesn't break 13.5 cents like it couldn't do on the 1st of March and the 2nd of March, we understand that that's not a real move. We understand that the market is still weak. All right. And this is the play right there. I'm done. You guys got it? Now it's your turn. Like I said, if y'all appreciate the video, the content, the price prediction, I want you all to drop me a comment as to where you think the price in Dogecoin is going to go. Let me know. All right, I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.